Guys, look at this guy. Live action. Live on the scene. Brought to you by Matco Tools. Richie Rich, Young Brother, Tint Express. You come to us, we come to you, right, Richie?
Exactly.
We're joking. We don't come to you. You come to us. All right, guys. Welcome back to another Powerstroke YouTube video. We're out here at the old Four Wheel Customs. We got some customization. I don't think I said that word right. Going on here on the old Don Vito rig. So to give you guys a little walkthrough, we got some Ready Lift LOGIQ airbags for the rear. Here's kind of everything laid out, parts wise. Everything's in bags, labeled. They do a good job of that. Instructions, blah blah blah. I do say I like that these come pre-assembled already because I do have the airlift ones on my truck. I definitely like this option because it's the 2 bags, goes on top. We're gonna take the overload spring off. And then as well, you need this spacer for your bump stops for the 14,000 payload. If your truck is equipped with that, you will need this. So he bought this extra, I believe. This was an add-on option. But anyway, floor jack stands underneath the receiver. Tires are off, wheels are off, 21 milli. So basically, to give you guys a quick rundown of what you're gonna see is the bump stop right here. We're basically extending that down. And then the leaf pack right here. Here's your overload, your top overload spring. This guy's coming out. The spacer right here is coming out. All gone. U-bolts are coming off. 24 millimeter under there. Take them off. This nut right here, take this off. Spray everything down with penetrating oil. Luckily, this is a 23 Powerstroke, so nothing's rusty over here. So if this bolt is messed up that goes through the whole leaf pack, they do provide another bolt that you could obviously pop this out with a punch, put the new one in. So not to jinx it, but I think we're looking all right here. So you're gonna wanna clamp here and here in the leaf pack. This overload spring, and then this spacer will come right off. But this spacer right here is bolted on. You'll see, we'll show you everything, but yeah. So the bags are gonna go boom right there. They're gonna bolt right up there somewhere. Yeah, it's like a sore dick, can't beat it. Come along on this journey. Welcome back to the Powerstrokerick YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. You already know it's like a sore dick, can't beat it. All right, guys. 24 milli on the U-bolts. Got 4 of these, crisscross pattern. All right, y'all, so where we're at here, U-bolts are out, 24 milli. Preferably you want a C-clamp here and another C-clamp there, but we only got one, so we're making do with what we got. So we got one of these big dick Larry Hoover clamps right here. And since this is a newer truck, we should be all right, knock on wood, but we're gonna drop this nut, zip this out. It's a 15 milli. So we're taking this off. We're retaining this, obviously, for the U-bolts. This spacer's coming out, and then obviously the overload spring. So we'll zip this out, we'll show you that, and then we'll add the extension of the bump stop, and then we'll start putting some bags on. All right, y'all, so good sign. So obviously being a newer truck, there is only 6,000 miles on the clock on this thing. This is gonna chill here, this bolt, we're gonna add some spacers. So you will not have your factory overload spring no more. This spacer's coming out obviously for that. We will be retaining, obviously, like I said, these and the U-bolt bottom mount. So if you do have an issue with this bolt, like I said, you could drive this bolt out from the top. They do supply new ones if you need them. So yeah, we're gonna show you continuing. All right, y'all, so this is where we're at. So bump stop spacer, right? There's a stud sticking up through here. You thread this on, 10 milli in the top. They provide some red Loctite. These are 15s, put that back on. Now your leaf pack, you got one spacer that you throw on, nut, washer. We could add a lock one to it as well if we need to. And then down here, the U-bolts, you're putting back on, but you're gonna make sure you wanna throw these spacers on each one of them. There's 4 stages of torquing these. Since they are U-bolts, they do stretch over time, so they actually have the torque specs for you right there. Up to one, oh no, that's dual rear wheel. 195, we're gonna torque into that, but not yet. So basically what we're getting ready for now is we're just gonna throw the bags on. They are labeled on the bottom, passenger, driver. So we'll show you throwing these on, and yeah. Alrighty, so what you got here is obviously the bags all assembled. We're going in. You got a bracket right back here and there with 21mm bolts and then like flange wing nut things on the back. Take them out because these are threaded. We're gonna put the grade 8 bolts through the rear to tighten this thing down. We also got these carriage bolts that are going through here. So guys, let's drop the X down just a little bit to wiggle it in here, get around this plastic shroud. So we'll show you. All right, y'all, so update, pretty easy. These 2 brackets, out of the count. If you do not have adjustable height, air sensor things, whatever, don't need them. Center pin bolts, leave them there just in case, don't need them. We'll need these. Carriage bolts, need them. This is garbage, actually. So, this is used with no fifth wheel. Don't need them because it is a fifth wheel. And here's our hardware for this. Also don't need these either. These are the other center pin things that come with it. So, what you're looking like, it's a little tight fit. This is what you want to see. You can see it's threaded up there. The grade 8 bolt. Let me see. Yep, you'll see it there. And see it there. It's 24mm. You gotta get it from the back side. This side's kind of a bitch because you gotta go over the tank with an extension. This one you can get right there. We'll tighten them down. So then we got the 4 carriage bolts in. We're gonna tighten these brackets down. We're gonna make sure this guy is center with that. So we'll move that. Tighten that down, and then this side is done. All we gotta do is just run the Airline over. And then we'll do the other side. Let's get that done. Just got done. That makes sense. Torquing the U-bolts. 195 foot-pounds. I did them in 3 or 4 different steps. Make sure you crisscross them. And these are tight. Add those brackets. Tight over here. This obviously we saw us do that. And yeah, these 2 up there are tight. All we gotta do is run the Airline. And guys, just a little quick connect. If you ever seen one of them, we'll run it back that way. So, whew, I'm sweating, man. Fucking U-bolts, man. Whew. Anyway, bump stop extension. We're gonna go on the other side and we're just gonna throw a time lapse on for you guys because it's the exact same thing. So, just to give you an idea. Alrighty, y'all, that's it. Both sides, bags are on. Everything's torqued down to spec. Tools will need 14 milli, 15 milli, 24, 21. These are actually really nice, I ain't gonna lie. So, one thing that's left to do is run the Airlines. So, they give you one big piece. Just quick connect in there, and we're gonna run them to his 2 license plate bolts. Yeah. Put the tires on. Yes, sir. Run them lines. All right, y'all. That's it. We are done. We ran them. Look at that. Valve stems right there through the license plate holes. Pretty cut and dry. Don Vito got these big meat Larry Hoovers, man. You can't even see them bags. I get a better picture, but they're tucked in there. So ran the line over. So we're going to put some air in these bad Larry Hoovers and see just what we are operating with. Don Vito, if you're watching this, make sure you hit that subscribe button, Bubba. I won't be able to do no work for you no more if you can't subscribe, baby. We got 1 PSI. Oh, let's get a little weird. Put 35 in it. Tooting. Oh, yo, we are a little tooted on one side. Nice. 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 Zip, 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 zip. Can we see it? All right, y'all. That's it. Full install on your LOGIQ ReadyLift airbags on your 2023 Ford F350. Yep, the Don Vito mobile. I just run like 7 or 10 pounds in them. You can't even see them suckers, they're all tucked in there. So yeah, we got some extra parts in here. Overloads. Vito, we took a couple beers, they were warm. So we're gonna have to work on that and do better next time, but we still love you though. So yeah, y'all, as always, it's like a sore dick. Can't beat it. Thanks for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button. Peace.